Today we are operating on a very sick sociopath thingy guy. He has the ability to sneeze out anything during surgery. So, let's go work. This is him. See what I mean? Alright, it's time. Alright, hold on, everyone. Let me just, I must do something. Oh, alright. I must do something. I think we got him contained.